For centuries, humans have sought to understand the diversity of life on Earth. How did all these species come to be? The answer lies in the scientific study of biological evolution. In this video, we'll explore the evidence and theories that explain how life has changed over time. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for evolution comes from the fossil record. Fossils provide snapshots of ancient organisms, revealing gradual changes over millions of years. Take, for example, the transition from fish to amphibians. Fossils like Tiktaalik show intermediate features, scales and gills like a fish, but also primitive limbs, hinting at a transition to land. Another powerful line of evidence comes from molecular biology. By comparing DNA sequences, scientists can determine how closely related different species are. Humans, for instance, share about 98% of their DNA with chimpanzees, indicating a common ancestor. The same genetic code is used by all living organisms, further proving that life shares a common origin. Natural selection is the mechanism by which evolution occurs. It's the process where organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and produce more offspring. Today, we can observe evolution in action, such as bacteria developing resistance to antibiotics. This ongoing evolution demonstrates that the principles discovered by Charles Darwin over 150 years ago still hold true today. This brings us to the concept of common descent, a central idea in evolutionary theory. Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection explains how species change over time. In nature, individuals with traits that help them survive and reproduce pass those traits to their offspring. Over generations, these advantageous traits become more common, leading to the evolution of new species. Darwin observed this firsthand in the Galapagos Islands. He noticed that finches on different islands had distinct beak shapes, suited to their food sources. Over time, natural selection had shaped their beaks to maximize survival in their specific environments. We don't have to look at fossils or ancient history to see evolution in action. It's happening all around us. Antibiotic resistance in bacteria is a modern example. When bacteria are exposed to antibiotics, only those with resistance genes survive and multiply. This rapid evolution is a reminder of nature's ability to adapt. Beyond natural selection, scientists have also explored other mechanisms of evolution, such as genetic drift and gene flow. Advances in genetics, including CRISPR technology, allow us to understand and even influence evolutionary processes. Evolution is not just a theory, it's a well-supported scientific framework backed by evidence from multiple disciplines. From fossils to genetics, from Darwin's finches to modern medicine, evolution explains the incredible diversity of life. As science advances, our understanding of evolution will only deepen, unlocking even more secrets of life's past and its future.